Whirlpool complaint. Water breach. Dishwasher's been running for approximately 50 minutes. Has reached all standard specs, 120 degrees Fahrenheit in the element and heating of the water. Noticed some water on the floor, but not a puddle of water, standing still water. But no water pouring, dripping, or showing any indication of a component breach, allowing water to pass a seal. All the door seal gaskets check good. Water valve check good in operation. Turning the water on and off. Water level check good with the pressure switch. And the drain check good from the drainage of the water. At this time, no need of replacing any components necessary. 90-day warranty will be observed. These are the most scariest complaints because of unforeseen water damage. Of homeowner liability claims can easily occur because of a closed cavity. Not being able to see what's going on behind your access panel. Monitor for water leakage and observe and monitor for any potential homeowner liability claims or any water breach. Dishwasher checks good at this time. Intermittent complaint perhaps. Variable food particle getting between the door seal gasket and the door frame, and since then probably washed itself out, or maybe even a water door seal splash over. Customer replaced his own part, which was the front door seal gasket, which checks good.